Alright, so I'm trying to get back caught up on answering comments. So that is what I decided to do. I'm going through and answering comments in the last few days. I'm going to try to get some things like this accomplished today. But yeah, first up, I'm going to go through and answer all of these comments. Oh, look what showed up a day later. You know what? It's all good, though, because we finally got the new Ibotta bonus for $2 back. Or no, this said $2 back when you do 6. I noticed later, especially doing a voiceover, they changed it over to $3, which is great. I'm thrilled with that. But hey, really phenomenal price there. But I originally saw $2 back. I got back $3 for doing 6 rebates, which was an awesome, awesome deal. So first up, step 1. Someone asked me to explain how I prep for an Ibotta haul. So first up, what I do is if I see a new bonus, that's when I start looking at all the rebates that are currently available in my gallery. I go through the main sections I look at are what's hot, new offers, best value, and recommended for you. Or no, buy it again. That's what it is. I look at all 4 of those. I also look at videos on YouTube pointing out deals that I may have missed. So that's what I first do. I'll end up compiling a list of all those. I'll write them down, and then I'll show you how I do all that in Excel to come up with the best deal. I got requested to show how I do prep for my Ibotta hauls and stuff, and I'm going to do an Ibotta trip today. So first up, I always go for the money makers first. So I saw on Swagbucks that the seasonal coffee mate is a huge money maker, and I'll have a haul video up all about this. So I'm obviously going to go for that, as well as the Big Simply So Light. That's a big money maker. So I want to go for that, and that gives me a running total of negative $3.76. I'm also throwing in some other stuff I didn't get yesterday. So, but how I view it, I have a $2. I'm sorry, my camera's not focusing very well. So I'll get back $2 for doing 6 rebates. I already know I have $3.63 tracking towards that $2. So really, I have more like $5.63 to spend if I want to get it for free. That's how I look at it. So another deal I saw, I was looking through Checkout 51 and I bought it, and I noticed they both have rebates for the Crunchmaster, and Checkout 51 does let you use a coupon there. Plus, there's a coupon, so I know it's going to make it free, and it'll count towards my Ibotta bonus. So I'm just going to go through Excel and type this in. So I'm going to have one Crunchmaster that is $2.98. I have a $1 off coupon, and where I'm at, there's no tax on food. So my OOP, I'm going to copy down that formula, is $1.98. But I'm going to get $1 from Ibotta. I'm not going to get anything from Savings Star. I'll get $1 from Checkout 51. I'll get nothing from Swagbucks. So it makes it a net cost of 2 cents, and that's the first item towards my bonus. But my running total for everything is now negative $3.65. So that's how I just go through the process. I pump all that out in Excel, and I will have a total of how much it's all going to be. So I'm just going to go through, find some more rebate items, and that will help me hit it. Someone else asked, like, how do you print the coupons when you're prepping for a trip? When I saw that Crunchmaster deal, I immediately went and printed off this coupon. That's just what I did. That's what I immediately went off and printed the coupon out. So that's how I prepped for that. Alright, so I've got all my printable coupons ready and printed, and then I also printed out my list. Now what I'm going to do is cut these coupons, pull out my my insert coupons from my binder. Just have all this stuff ready and together at Walmart, and I'll just be able to go and then get the stuff, and it should go pretty quick. It's the next step of my process with the rebates is I do my haul for you all. So I just finished filming the haul, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and submit my rebates for all these products. That's the next step, and then that's it. I mean, that'll take a little bit because of Swagbucks, but I'm going to go ahead and submit for the rebates. I checked it all in the store, it all was there, it all was valid, so that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to submit the rebates, and that's pretty much the end of the process. But all this stuff, after everything, you'll have to see the haul for the exact breakdowns. It was a money-making trip, like a really good money-maker, so I enjoyed that. I'm getting all this stuff for a money-maker. Alright, so Walmart went pretty good. We are going to go to ALDI tonight because we need a couple things. But I've not been there for quite a while, so I really want to check out some of their organic stuff because I've not really been there for a while. So, yeah, I'm going to go to ALDI. I need to, like, try to take you in, you know, and show you some stuff. So, yeah, that is that, and I will show you that. Some organic baby spinach, only $2.49. I'm gonna put the spinach in smoothies so I can try to somehow get some vegetables. This is definitely a no-no right now. So I'm also gonna grab probably 2 of these cantaloupes, $1.89. Great, so organic white rice, $59. Great, so I'm gonna stock up on this peanut butter. It's a horrible price, but it has so minimal ingredients. The one at Kroger has a lot more ingredients, so I am going to stock up on this, probably get 2 of them, even though I don't have any bread to eat it on, but I'll figure out ways to use it. We paid $4 for this at Kroger, so $2.29 here, yeah. Great, so we're gonna get some of the salmon. It's only $3.99. Great, we're gonna grab some of the organic blueberries and strawberries. Great, so I'm gonna get this for my mom's uncle for $3.99. Alright, so these Simply Nature applesauce pouches are on clearance for $1.15, so we're going to grab a couple and just try it. I think I should be okay because they're pureed, and it'd be easier for me to get my veggies in. Alright, so I'm going to get one of these organic turkey bone broth, see if it's any good, see if it's better than the chicken. So for dinner, we just did salmon and some organic jasmine rice. For some reason, I had a harder time eating the salmon tonight. I'm not really sure. I don't know. I'm just getting tired of stuff like that, but I know it's important for me right now to eat as healthy as possible, and honestly for the long term. And if fish is pretty good for you, salmon particularly is really good for you, so I'm going to try to incorporate it. But I had a harder time eating it tonight, and I'm not really sure why. I also tried one of these that I got from ALDI tonight. It was alright. I drank about half of it, and I will try to go back and drink the rest of it later, but I don't know. No promises. Alright, so who knows if I'll even post this, but my room is like, I am so guilty of having my room clean for a couple days, and then I start piling it up again. So I'm going to clean my room now. I'm trying to get little errands, or not errands, but little tasks and chores done tonight. What I ended up doing is, here's what I do. So, when I wake up in the morning, I throw all the stuff out of my office chair onto the bed so I can sit in the chair. When I go to bed at night, I throw all the stuff from the bed onto the chair. So I'm really, really bad at not cleaning up. So I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get everything together. There's a lot of stuff to go through. I was going to take you along for the night and kind of show you the chores that I do a little bit. It's 9 o'clock, so it's kind of late. I'm trying to get stuff done. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now. So, I don't want anyone getting any ideas, so that's why I blocked out the names, but I have been keeping track in Excel of how much I've spent on Christmas gifts thus far. Here it is. So far I've spent $415.84. I actually budgeted $775. So as long as I stick to budget, I have $359.16 more to spend. So, yeah, quite a bit still to do, but I've been keeping track of my Christmas budgeting, and this is what I wanted to do. I wrote that in my planner. I really wanted to get this done today to figure out how much I've spent, how much more I want to spend on people. I have it broken down by person or couple or whatever, so that's how I went ahead and did that. So, yeah, that is awesome. So, yeah, that is about it for today. I am so proud of myself. I got a lot done today. I'm really, really happy about that. I love it when I have productive days like this. And I still think I got a lot in here for 10 minutes. Like, I threw a lot of info in this vlog today. So I really, really hope you enjoyed it. With like the Ibotta haul and the in-store ALDI. I was not that brave a couple weeks ago with filming in the store. And I was just like, you know what? I'm going to get my camera out and I'm going to film at ALDI today. Because I know these vlogs have not been very good the last few days. And you've all known about the issues with Noah, and actually, I don't want to get too into it. I don't want to make this depressing, but he didn't wind up getting to come home. He's actually still there and has had another setback. The pancreatitis came back or whatever, or maybe it never fully left. I don't know, but so he's still there in the same place, and so, yeah. still just hoping they can get it. It's been like it's been since Friday night, and it's almost Wednesday, so I'm hoping. But they said sometimes it can take up to a week to get them better. So that's just what we keep hoping. But, it is scary because he's not really eating. But that could just be because of nausea. We're not really sure. But, we're giving him fluids. And my mom has actually been up there every single day to visit him. So that's been hard. So, yeah, that is the reality right now. So no, not that is upbeat. But I'm trying to make these vlogs pretty good. So I do apologize if they've sucked. I really do. All right. So, before I head off tonight, is there anything you would rather me, I'm always open to feedback and tips, so if there's something that you wish I would do in the vlogs, maybe, let me know. I'm always open to tips and ideas. I'm just kind of trying to keep it real with you all. If there's some, if you have any suggestions, or even on videos, it's kind of hard. Here's the reality. I really, really appreciate Mugu, I don't ever know how to pronounce your names. I'm so sorry. But they let me know we're not getting inserts till the 30th. And they're right. We're not getting any coupons until the 30th of this month. Oh my gosh. So there are two realities with that. Number one, Fridays, I'm not going to hardly have videos because the insert preview. I'm not going to have an insert preview. Number two, there's not going to be as many deals. That's just reality because there's no new coupons. There'll still be deals, but there won't be as many because there won't be any new coupons. So we got to find a way to work around that. So that's where I need you all to step in and say, hey, Nick, maybe do a video on this or something. So I have some ideas in order to produce videos since there's not going to be as many deals for me to talk about. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think about that. If you have any video suggestions, things you'd like to see, let me know. If you have ideas for Vlogmas, let me know. Those are all things I'm interested in hearing. So what's on the plan for tomorrow? Kroger Day. That's it. Kroger Day is Kroger Day. That's the day I put everything into my Kroger videos. So that's that. And it does. I've seen quite a few of you say this is an awful sale, and it does look pretty blah. But I'm still trying to be optimistic that there's potential. And there may be some potential that we don't see right now. I might go do a walkthrough tomorrow. It's a 5x digital event, which is, I hate those, honestly. There can be some good deals, but it always starts that confusion about being able to stack digital coupons. And, I went to corporate and got a totally different answer than what you all are saying. It sounds like Kroger changed their tune. They're just like, it's up to the store, which I don't seem to see how that's fair at all because, I could go to the Kroger in the next town and they'll say something different, but I don't know. But there's not much I can do about it, so I'm a little on the fence. Do I even mention it if your store, do I even mention stocking manufacturers' coupons? I'm not even sure what to do because I know it's going to start so much confusion. I'm going to have to explain it 40 times. So I'm not even sure whether I should mention stacking manufacturer coupons with those 5X digitals. I don't want to make people confused. There was someone who commented once saying, I went to Kroger trying to use all these digitals together and they wouldn't let me. So it's really, really confusing. A lot of people don't understand the difference, and the stores don't understand the difference either. So even though corporate office told me one thing, I'm just not sure I'm going to mention it to you all this time because I don't want to stir up drama with Kroger or give you all drama with Kroger. So, yeah, that is that. Tomorrow's Kroger Day. I doubt I do anything else. I don't see myself going anywhere else. Kroger Day takes up a lot of time by the time I do the videos and everything. So that should be it for tomorrow. I mean, it is a church day, so I probably will go to church. And depending on what happens tomorrow with the cat and everything, and like I said, it's all up in the air about that. They give us updates a couple times, hey, and then, like I said, my mom drives up there to see him. Yeah. I just hope he gets to come home soon. But I don't want to keep these vlogs depressing, because I know a lot of you, I think it's turned some people off, because the views have definitely gone down on these vlogs. A lot of people must be bummed and depressed after watching them, so they don't want to watch anymore, and I understand. When I originally decided to do Vlogmas, I really thought I'd be able to do a lot more fun stuff for you all, but it's life. I mean, that's what a vlog is. It's life, so I'm just showing you life right now as it is, and hopefully the cat gets to come home soon. I'm really hoping and praying. Please keep praying that he gets to come home soon, and maybe we can try to have more fun on these vlogs. So, yeah, that is all I got for now. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and thank you so much for watching.